It's Kiddspaddie!
Hi guys! Who's ready to go on an exciting learning adventure?
A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bear who jumps out of bed. C is for cat who chases a ball. D is for duck who gives a loud call. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish who swims all day. G is for goat who climbs up high. H is for helicopter, zoom in the sky. Learning is fun, come sing with me. Letters, numbers, 1, 2, 3. Shapes and colors, days and more. Let's explore and learn galore. One little frog goes hop, hop, hop. Two big balls go pop, pop, pop. Three blue birds fly in the sky. Four funny monkeys jump up high. Five toy cars zoom down the lane. Six white ducks march in the rain. Seven balloons rise up with glee. Eight green bugs crawl under a tree. Nine bright stars twinkle at night. 10 fingers wave with joy and delight. Learning is fun, come sing with me. Letters, numbers, 1, 2, 3. Shapes and colors, days and more. Let's explore and learn galore. Red like a fire truck speeding fast. Blue like the sky so big and vast. Yellow like the shining sun. Green like grass for everyone. Orange like a juicy slice. Purple grapes are sweet and nice. Pink like bubble gum that pops. Brown like dirt where the bunny hops. Clap your hands if you know your name. Stomp your feet in our learning game. Spin around like a spinning top. Freeze in place, now jump, hop, hop. Circle like a pizza, round and wide. Square like a window, side by side. Triangle like a mountain top. Rectangle like a bus that stops. Oval like an Easter egg. Star that twinkles on one leg. Heart for love we always show. So many shapes, let's watch them grow. Learning is fun, hooray, hooray. We sang and danced and learned today. From ABC to shapes and sun. Learning with friends is so much fun.
If you had fun watching, give us a big thumbs up, share the fun with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new adventure. Thanks for watching.